Good morning, guys. It's Friday, so we're like a week into this whole pandemic thing. So right now I am headed over to some family property of mine because we've got a tractor with a loader that won't work. We got another tractor with a snow blower on it that we need to take off, put a set of forks on it so they can keep working over there. All right, guys, we are out here at the farm. Here's this tractor I was talking about, and the complaint is that when the thing's running and you pull back, oh yeah, that's not good. Look how floppy that is. That shouldn't be like that. So we had this issue last year, and I ended up taking the seat off, and under here you can actually get to all the valves and everything, and there's a little arm that pivots back and forth, and it broke right off. So we had to weld it back together, and I'm pretty sure that that's what's going on. So we'll take the seat off again and see if we can't figure out what's going on. All right, so we got the seat out of this tractor, and I'm pretty happy I found something. But first, say hello to these guys. They're also practicing social distancing, at least 6 feet away. So when we start looking inside the tractor here, you can see right there was my fix that I did last fall, and it actually held up. I'm really surprised, but look at this. That little pin is supposed to go in that little hole, and that's what moves that valve up and down. So we got lucky. I thought we were going to have to weld this thing back up or try to take it apart because it's in a really bad spot. It's just miserable to try to get to. So we're fortunate. We're lucky. We're going to put this thing back together and get this thing working again. All right. So here's this pin that fell out. It looks like we had to kind of find something to go in there, but the cotter pin we had was too big, so I've got a little piece of welding wire. This is kind of the part where you make do with what you got. We don't have the part. We need the tractor right now, so sometimes you got to use your brain to figure it out. So we're going to put that back through the bracket to control that valve, and we'll twist this up so it can't slide out again on them, and then eventually we'll have to swap it out for the right part. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this back together. Got to line this all up here, kind of wiggle it to get it through, but I got to pay attention to which way that hole's going because I need to get this wire through it. So we'll point it straight up, start wiggling, get it all the way through. Now I got to squeeze myself up in here, and I'm going to find the spot in the pin. Of course, it's awful dark in here. Doesn't help. Oh, look at that with the light. I'll take that. There we go. Got that in. Now I just got to go ahead and try to snag onto the other side here. If I could twist this thing, maybe. As you can see, it's like the most confined area possible, so everything becomes a little bit harder to see, harder to do. Aha, I got it. Just like that. So now we will just take these two here, and we're going to twist them together, and for now it'll be secure. Boy, I'm glad to have an extra set of hands with the camera today, because this would be fun.
I gotta do my part too.
Yeah, I guess so. Meanwhile, everybody that's going by right now is getting quite the view because my shirt's not staying down and my pants certainly are going south.
And the rain is very comforting.
Oh yeah. But this is one of those things, it seems like whenever this stuff breaks down, it's not like beautiful sunny day. It's always rainstorm, snowstorm, middle of the night, you know, typical. All right, so I'm going to snip that off in a minute and we'll throw this seat back together. So up next on our list of stuff to do, we got this Massey Ferguson tractor with front mount snow blower that's got to come off. This thing's got the power shuttle transmission, 4-speed transmission, and 3 different ranges. So this thing's got a lot of different gears. It's also got a standalone high flow hydraulic system. The tractor doesn't put out enough flow to run this blower. So on the back, on the PTO, there's its own pump and hydraulic lines. I'll show you that stuff. What measure?
Good morning again from Heavy Equipment. Out here doing our best to keep you all informed and moving forward with our heavy equipment training. Just got done with our tractors module. We got this beautiful tractor up here. They just got up to the Veach farm for doing some different work. And it's a beautiful tractor with this nice big snowblower. The snowblower is a hydraulically driven snowblower. Normally our front hydraulics don't have enough power to run a blower of this size. So it's a kind of a unique thing on this tractor to take a look at. As we walk around, we can see it's a nice size tractor. Got our MFWD, nice big back tires, good, nice clearance. But as we come around the back of the tractor, we've got this big contraption on the back. What we have back here is actually a hydraulic system. We have our hydraulic tank or our reservoir. We have our hydraulic pump, which helps to create the flow in our system. And it's all quick connected together and hooked up to the PTO. So to run the blower on the front, we engage the PTO, it turns the hydraulic pump, creates the flow, we're blowing snow. It's a beautiful thing. It's a really nice attachment. Nice thing about this, with most tractors, you put the snowblower on the back. It's a pain in the neck to have to keep backing up. Having it on the front makes it awesome, easy, comfortable, beautiful. So with that snowblower, you want to have a nice big open cab. Get inside. This thing's got heat, air conditioning, nice big seat. Take a look at some of them controls. We'll look at the different colors on those controls. We have the orange, the yellow, the blacks. We talked about all these controls in our tractor's module. What do those different things control in the tractor? But you can see it's a nice, comfortable, open cab, be a nice tractor. So a little bit later, we'll be taking the snowblower off of this, removing the hydraulic system, getting it ready for summer work. Hopefully winter's done. Again, hey, stay safe out there, wash your hands, enjoy.